So I'm just going to run through a quick tutorial on how to use Read and Write, the extension for Chrome. So this can be used on any device that you have the Chrome web browser. So you can use it on laptops and Chromebooks that have the web browser. And you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and you need to add it to Chrome. You'll see there it has a purple symbol that looks like a jigsaw piece there. And when you have this extension open, you will see that this toolbar comes up. So the first feature I'm going to show you is the read function. So read and write will enable you to have a text read to you, and you access this by pressing the play button. So you'll notice that
Perplexing planets. In the early 1600s, almost everyone believed that the Earth was the center of the universe, with the sun, the moon and all the planets and stars orbiting the Earth.
So you'll see that it actually highlights the sentence being read, and the word being spoken is blue. So you access that by pressing the play button, and I've just pressed pause, and I'm going to press stop now. The next feature I'm going to show you is the dictionary. So if there's a word that you're not sure what it means, if you have the cursor at the beginning and then you press this book symbol that is a dictionary, you'll see that there is a little box that pops up and it tells you, gives you a definition of what that word means. Okay, so anytime you click on that word, on a new word, it will actually update the dictionary up the top there. So it gives you an idea that this particular word has lots of different meanings. Okay, so that's the dictionary feature, and it just works if you click on the beginning of any word, it will automatically change the dictionary. The next feature is picture. So if you're not sure what something looks like, if you click on the picture, it will actually give you an image of what that word is, if it is an appropriate word. The next thing I'm going to show you is if you are wanting to create a list of vocabulary that you're not really sure about, then what you do is you highlight the word and you come up to the highlight button up the top. I'm just going to use a couple as an example here. So I've identified a few words that maybe words that I'm having difficulty with. What you do is you come over here, and this is the vocabulary button. So when you press vocabulary, what it actually is doing, it's creating a new document. That is a vocabulary list. So with this new document, it puts all of those words into a table. So you have the word, it tells you the meaning of that word, if there is a symbol associated with that word, but it also gives you an opportunity to be able to type any notes that you might like to have about that word. So the words that I chose, there was Galileo, perplexing, there were some images associated with here, universe, orbited, and it has some images there. So it gives you all of those dictionary definitions, but it also gives you a symbol, the picture. So this particular part really combines the dictionary and the picture dictionary aspects of it while giving you the opportunity to create some notes about it. All right, so those are the features that I'm going to leave you with today. Have fun exploring.